Hello friends, so this is the first question related to maximum power transfer theorem which we are going to discuss. So this is the circuit here, and it has been asked to find the value of R such that maximum power will be transferred to this resistor, and to find the value of that maximum power. Okay, so the important thing here is the application of Thevenin theorem. We have to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit across these two terminals. We have to open circuit first this whole terminal, and then we have to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, we have to redraw the circuit, open circuiting these two terminals, removing R, then this is 5 ohm, this is 6 ampere current source. Volt, this is 10 ohm. VTH. Now, in order to simplify, or actually make the analysis simple, what we can do, we can apply source transformation here. We have this 120 volt voltage source in series with this 10 ohm resistor, so we can convert it into a current source in parallel with the same resistor by applying source transformation. So in that case, the voltage source will be replaced with a current source of value 120 volt by 10 ohm, that is 12 ampere. So I have already posted videos related to source transformation and all the basic circuit analysis techniques, so you please check out those videos. Okay, so 12 ampere in parallel with the same resistor 10 ohm. Okay, so now we can apply nodal analysis here. All these nodes are at VTH potential. Okay, the voltage here is equal to VTH because there is no resistor in between, so no voltage drop. So let we assume that the currents here are flowing downwards. So if we apply nodal analysis here, we will get 12 ampere and 6 ampere, they are flowing towards the node. So 12 plus 6 is equal to, these two currents are flowing downwards, that is VTH by 10 plus VTH by 5. That implies 18 is equal to, here it is 10 VTH plus 2 VTH. Okay, that implies 3 VTH is equal to 180. That implies VTH is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 volt. VTH is equal to 60 volt. So we have found VTH. Now we have to find RTH. So let us just write it here. VTH is equal to 60 volt. Now we have to find RTH. So for RTH calculation, what we have to do, simply we have to deactivate all the independent sources and find the equivalent resistance. So here this 120 volt will be short circuited, so like this. Okay, the 10 ohm resistor will come here because as it is short circuited, it will come here, and then we have this 5 ohm resistor, and a 6 ampere current source will be also open circuited. Voltage sources are short circuited, current sources are open circuited. So now across these two terminals, the Thevenin resistance is simply 10 parallel 5 RTH. Okay, 10 parallel 5, which is simply equal to 10 to 5 by 10 plus 5, which is 50 by 15 ohm, which is equal to 10 by 3 ohm. So RTH is equal to 10 by 3 ohm. So we have got VTH, we have got RTH. Okay, so simply what we did is that we deactivated the independent sources. The independent voltage source was short circuited. As a result of that, 10 ohm came here, and the independent current source, 6 ampere current source, was open circuited, and we had to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit across these two open circuit terminals. So we got VTH 60 volt, RTH 10 by 3 ohm. Now we have got the value of R, okay, which is equal to RTH, that is 10 by 3 ohm, which is the condition for maximum power transfer. Okay, the resistance should be equal to the Thevenin resistance. Okay, RTH is 10 by 3 ohm. Now the maximum power transfer that will happen to this unknown resistor R is equal to VTH square by 4 RTH, which we have already derived. So that is equal to VTH square 60 square by 4 into RTH, that is 4 into 10 by 3. So let us calculate how much it is coming. Okay, 60 square divided by 4 by RTH, which is coming 270 watts. Okay, 270 watts. Okay, so PR max is equal to 270 watts. The maximum power that is transferred to this unknown resistor is equal to 270 watts. Okay, so this is the first question which we have discussed related to maximum power transfer. So we utilized the concept of Thevenin theorem. We found the Thevenin voltage 60 volt. We found the Thevenin resistance, that is 10 by 3 ohm, and next we just have R. So for maximum power transfer, R should be equal to 10 by 3 ohm, and the maximum power transfer that occurred is equal to 270 watts. Okay, okay.